The fault that generated the Myanmar earthquake is the Sagaing Fault. So it runs as far as to the north to Mandalay and the city of Naypyidaw. So those are the two places that are highly urbanized where the fault runs through, which shows the extent of damage in Myanmar, especially that Sagaing Fault has moved around 5.5 meters. It will be really huge.
In every response, including Myanmar crisis, time is the key. For relief effort, infrastructure damage information is critical. Which airports are still operating? Which roads are still usable?
So the EOS Remote Sensing Lab was committed to creating damage proxy maps. It's a type of map which is intended to showcase the extent of damage a particular area experiences following a disaster event. Our DPMs are graded from transparent to yellow to red. Pixels which are likely undamaged, they are normally in the transparent classification, whereas pixels which are represented in deep red, they tend to be those which are highly likely damaged in the aftermath. Similar to how a bat actually utilizes echoes from sound waves to understand its surroundings, synthetic aperture radar emits energy pulses towards the Earth's surface and measures the backscatters that are being returned to the sensor.
And then we use that image acquired before the earthquake and then after the earthquake, and then we compare that and we mark the significant difference as a proxy for damage. So that's why we call damage proxy map. And radar, in this case, just like our cell phone, it uses microwave and it penetrates all weather conditions: cloud, fog, rain, fire smoke, and even volcanic plume any time of the day. We covered about 5,000 square kilometers within 72 hours. In about a week, we covered about 200,000 square kilometers. And in about 2 weeks, we covered million square kilometers every 30 by 30 meter, cloud-free.
We are going to expect climate disasters to become more frequent and more prevalent across the world. So there is an increasing need for this type of remote sensing expertise to make a tangible impact to societies which are vulnerable and under threat of climate disasters.